So this is the Lego Technic Ford GT kit that I got for Christmas, and I've got my little work going on here. This is just the first little section of one of 200 and something pages, over 1,000 something pieces. But what I wanted to show you is this is the kind of detail that Lego does that's just absolutely amazes me, that I just really enjoy watching. So the first thing it has you doing is it has you putting together the rear differential for this thing. And it's got a true independent suspension rear differential, just like in the car. So it has the shock absorbers and stuff they hadn't put on it yet, but you can see how each individual side suspension will move up and down, and the wheel will stay square with the ground, just like a real car does. And you can see there's a drive shaft through the middle there that, as this thing turns, as it turns the motor here, it will turn, the differential will turn, and it will move. It's just crazy. I mean, that's just amazing. See them turn them both. It depends on how much, just like a rear limited slip differential, and it's just amazing. Anyway, I just wanted to show the kind of detail that these Lego Technic kits, it just floors me, and why they're just so much fun.